our customers. We focus on 3D laser crystal glass engraving machine, fiberlaser. ZHEJIANG Holy Laser Technology Company Limited, established in 2006, and work hard to become the manufacturer in laser equipment area. Quality is our culture. We're committed to deliver our mission. Based on honesty, quality stands out to our customers. We focus on 3D laser crystal glass engraving machine, fiberlaser marking machine, fiberlaser metal cutting machine, CO2 laser marking machine, UV laser marking machine. All our machines have passed CE, FDA certificates and obtained many patents for machine technology and software program. Over the years, with our independent R&D lab and strong team, we expand our product line to bring our technology to an even wider application. Warmly welcome customizing and strong experienced engineer team, strict QC team, and 24-hour service support. And 3 buildings, 8920M2, and more than 41 workers for production. We strive to update our technology in the direction of green, environmental, and energy saving. We obtain independent export and import rights. Holy Laser Factory sells laser machines to more than 80 countries, like USA, UK, Australia, Canada, Italy, Germany, Russia, South Korea, Portugal, Denmark, Egypt, Ireland, Indonesia, Japan, France, Thailand, Iran, Sweden, have agent in Mexico, Spain, Turkey, dealer in USA, Poland, Italy, India, Singapore. We are here warmly welcome your visiting and cooperation.